good evening. Karon pagi ko kay gigi ka sa hospital sa microeconomics. This is supposed to be our textbook. I do not know kung this is authored by me. The title is Microeconomics, Numerical and Computational Approach. So, kung mag-order mo ani, I do not know kung if I come by next week. Naana bang libro? Kaya kung wala, ay, Xerox na lang siguro gani siguro ni. Ako lang ni sandalon. Anyway, akong i-discuss ang chapter 1, basic economic terminologies. Chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. Okay. Right. And then demand and supply. Chapter 2. So, ang atong concern here is microeconomics. Micro means small economics. Economics o pa small. Sa amin how firms. So kung imong i-dissect ang firm into microscopic units, the most ang element gina mabini gina na ang pinakagamay nga element is farm. Business. How firms determine the prices and output. And how consumers